favorite room in the mornings, the morning room. There's still a ton of things missing on the tablescape, but I just love the way that the light just hits onto the table. Look how cute the deer looks in the light. This is my temptation every single day. When I come in here, my temptation is just to plop with my bed patch. I just want to cuddle you all day, Mama. Are you gonna let Mama make the bed? Or do you want her to just keep it like this so you can sleep? And you can be a queen. Okay, I won't make it, Mama, so you could just lay. So you could just lay all over, baby. You deserve it, my little queenie.
If you know your party's extension, please dial it at any time. How may I help you?
Hi, I was calling because I wanted to just make sure if you guys were open today or not because of the bat situation that happened yesterday.
Yeah, we are open today.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
No more bats, at least not for now.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
We're bat-free. Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye. So now that the coast is clear with the bats, I'm going to go work out. I think I'm going to do the workout that I was supposed to do yesterday, which was stairs for 20 minutes and kind of in intervals, and then some ab work. I just want to go in, have a great workout, put in as much work as I can, and then we're going to tackle the rest of our day. That was such a great workout. I feel like I hit a lot of different areas. And I got cardio in with the Stairmaster, and then I did ab work. I'm going to go ahead and link down below the fitness gal that I got that workout from, because she does such an amazing job at providing like creative workouts. I love going to her page to find different workouts because she does such a good job at like just providing creativity when it comes to working out. And that's such a key component when wanting to be consistent in your workouts. At least for me, I found that when I find different ways to work out and I don't stick to one thing, it's less likely for me to get bored, so I continue to do it more. So yeah, her name is Leanna. I'll leave her information down below, but that's where I got this workout from. This was a perfect beginner workout, like, or if you're just getting back into the gym after some time off, it's perfect because it's not like too much where it gets you super sore where you can't work out the next day. It's just like a great way to introduce your body back to movement again. So I feel great. That was awesome. So I think I'm gonna go to Michael's now to return, I'm so out of breath, to return this tree topper that I got. It looks like this. It's just like a sparkly gold topper, and I'm gonna return it because this is for the tree in the second living room, and that tree doesn't have any gold on it. So I don't know why I got this. I think I might have thought that I had a little bit more gold on the tree, but it doesn't look nice. So I'm gonna go return this and then possibly see what they have. If they have any other options. There's a few things that I'm missing, so I just want to see what they have and see if I find anything good. So I ended up returning the star, and this is what I picked up. I didn't really find much else, but I did find this really cute Christmas wrapping paper. It has like this illustration of a gingerbread house and a sleigh, and I like how it's craft paper. I think I'm gonna use craft paper this year and just accent the Christmas gifts with greenery and tulle and ribbons. And I got this dry foam that I need because I have this really nice pot from Target that I want to put a bunch of cedar stems in, but they're not staying well, so I want to use this to stick them in there. And then I just got this tumbler for my green smoothies because I want something specific for my green smoothies. Let me see if this is this dishwasher safe? It is dishwasher safe. Top rack dishwasher safe. Okay, good to know. And that's basically everything I got. So I'm gonna go get a car wash because my car is a hot mess. Quick story time. I was checking out at Michael's, and this lady comes up to me and is like, do you happen to drive a, and then she describes the model of my car, and my heart sank. I was like, this girl crashed into me or scraped my car or something. Like, I wonder why I always assume the worst. I was like, I wonder why you're asking me for my make and model. So I was like, yes. She goes, do you happen to own an Apple Watch? So like dramatic. And I'm like, yes. She's like, can you describe it for me? And so I described it to her. She's like, here you go. I dropped my Apple Watch when I was getting out of the car. She was like, I saw it there and I just couldn't leave it there. And I was like, thank you so much. Like, I really, really appreciate it. But I'm just wondering how she knew it belonged to me, because my Apple Watch doesn't have like any pictures or anything on here. Unless maybe she went through my pictures. I need to put a code on this thing. She went through my pictures. Probably. Because how would she have known it was me? Anyways, I'm just thankful that she handed it to me, because my workout tomorrow would have been, I just can't work out without my Apple Watch. I mean, I can, it's not like a big deal, but I love working out with it because it tells me my calories and all that. So I thought that was funny. I literally almost lost my Apple Watch. So I'm gonna go wash this car because it is a disaster. Making the little cedar arrangement. So this is fresh cedar stems. I think that's how you say it. And I got this pot from Target. I'm gonna leave it here for a bit, which is on the coffee table of this living room. I think it looks nice. It looks just like a staple piece. I'm still trying to figure out if I like it or not, or if I should move it to the coffee table in the other living room. But I think for now, I'm gonna just leave it here. I'm just gonna center it a little. But that little foam that I got from Michael's definitely made a difference, because now the cedar can really stay in place. But I think I like it here because it complements the Christmas tree and also the cedar stems that are on this mirror. So yeah, that's what I did when I got home, and then I went to go shower. I did my skincare as well. That's why my skin is very glowy. It's not the oiliness, it's all the products, the hydration that I'm using right now. So I'm just going to make us dinner. I'm gonna do Caesar salads, and then I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the night. I think I'm just gonna binge some Selling Sunset. done. I did a very simple Caesar salad. I just did greens with some chicken. I did fresh Parmesan and then this Caesar dressing that I picked up from Wegmans. This is nice and creamy, so it's perfect for that Caesar finish. She wants water. Did you feed her any today? Okay. A very lazy dinner because yesterday we cooked, so today we're kind of taking it light on doing so much in the kitchen. But this is a great, like, easy, quick dinner. But yeah, once we're done eating, I think I'm just gonna relax, binge watch some Selling Sunset, and then go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.